Good afternoon. My name is Michael Marrow, coming to you on our new trade. It's a 2019 Sea Ray 350 SLX. As you can see, this is an IO boat, twin Mercury powered. Stepping out into the hull, you can see the expansive cockpit area, wraparound seating, nice wet bar area, your sink. Easy on and off the boat with the sea deck so you won't slip. More seating behind the helm seat with 3 cup holders. Going to the helm, it's a bolstered helm seat that can accommodate 2 people. Joystick piloting system, digital throttle and shift, your Simrad VHF, auto tabs. All your switches are forward with your Fusion Apollo stereo system, your remote for your spotlight, twin screen Simrads. Looking at the port side of the boat, nice area above the head door with another double bolstered passenger seat. As you see, this boat is dune interior and the exterior is Sea Ray blue with a red boot stripe. Now looking into the head, very clean. This is actually the starboard side storage area with a TV. And then here's your head here, right behind the helm. Going forward, you can see the expansive area, walk-through bow with double passenger seating in front of the helm and the port side passenger, and seating for 3 up front. You can see the detail Sea Ray added with the cup holders, Fusion stereo, and remote stereo for the bow, so you don't have to keep going to the back of the boat. This has a freshwater washdown next to the anchor, which is a windlass, and your spotlight. If you have any questions and would like to schedule an appointment to see this used boat, please give us a call at 609-926-0600, and we look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.